So in the last class we are discussing about import column, and we have seen that how we can import the images, okay, from a flat file to the SQL table. Okay, so we have imported the images or documents. Okay, so what is the various table name? Let me see. So we have stored in the DB SAI for table underscore images one. Okay, table. Okay, now let me go and see that. Okay, let me connect over. So let me connect to my database first of all. So after storing the data, no? So after storing the data in the table, now what I want to do is, okay, so I want to export these images, okay, into my physical location back. Okay, let us say you are downloading from one server, okay, you are importing the images from one server or from one computer, okay, and you are keeping in the database table, and after that in another computer you want to export these images. Okay, in another computer you want to export, or another computer or another server, okay, you want to export these images to a physical location. Now let us see how we can do that. Now let me go on. Now we can, let us go and see. Okay, now I have connected to the DB-SAI4, and then this is the table where we have downloaded the images. Now what I want to do is I want to export these images, okay, from SQL table to the physical location. Okay, now let us see how we can do that. Now let me go and execute this. Okay, so my images are present in this table. Now let us go and see how we can import this. Now first of all let us decide, okay, to which physical location you want to listen, you want to download. Now we have imported from F drive images folder. Now let us go to that. System has been a little bit slow today. Now let us see, so from which folder we have imported the images. So let us go to that folder, F drive. Okay, so I'm going to F drive and let us see. So we have imported from this folder. Now let me go back to this folder. Okay, now let me delete everything. Okay, so now let me delete these files. Okay, now you can see I have shift deleted all the images. Okay. Yes, I want to permanently delete this item. Now you can see I have deleted. So I have made my folder empty here. Okay, in the F drive, now you can go and see my images folder is empty. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to, okay, whatever the images present in the database table, I want to import, I want to export these images back to the physical location. Okay. Now let us see how we can do that by taking the help of export column transformation. So this is import column is to import the images from physical location to the SQL table. Okay. Okay. Now let me drag and drop one more data flow task. Okay, let me drag and drop one more data flow task. Now let us go for, now your source data is present in the SQL table right now. So what we have to do is we have to go for and select the OLEDB as the source. So let us go to the source folder and drag and drop the OLEDB source. Okay. Now let us locate our table name. So my table is present in the which database? DBSI4. Okay, you can go and select that DBSI4. Okay, so it will show that in which table your images are coming. So it is coming under table underscore images 01. Okay, so let us go and select that particular table. So where is it? Yes. Okay, we can see here we have a table name called table underscore images. Now let me go and preview the data. So now you can see here it is specifying the file path column name and the picture column name. Okay. Now let us get back this data. Now let us go back to our export column transformation. So let us go and you want to export the image from database to physical location. Now let me take the export column. Now pass this table data as input to the export column. Here when you open this, so which column data you want to extract. Okay, so which column you want to extract the images, no? So that images are present in which column. Okay, we have to specify that. Okay, so from the input we are getting, you can see here my images are present in this picture column. No? Yes, I want to extract this column. Okay, into which physical location. Okay, where you want to copy this, where you want to paste this image. Okay, into which physical location. So right now I want to export into the same file path. Now you can see f underscore images. So I have removed the files now. So from the F drive you can see in the same folder I have removed the images. Okay. So now I want to paste it back to here. Okay. So here you can go and see that in the file path column we have the location. Okay. So f underscore images and what is the name of the image, that is one.jpg. Okay. So here we have to specify the same thing here. So which column you want to extract? Yes, I want to extract the image present in this picture column. And to which physical location? So go and paste it, okay, in the path specified in the file path column. Okay, so go and copy, okay, in this folder, that is f underscore images. And what name, with what name I want to copy? I want to copy with this name as 1.jpg, 3.jpg, like that. Okay, so here you can see we are able to, okay, we just need to specify the which column data you want to extract and to which location. Okay, that's it. Okay, now we can go and say that if I go and execute this, now what this export column will do is will extract the image, okay, and where it will paste? It will paste the path specified in the file path column. That's it. System is little slow. Okay, now you can see it has got the 7 records and it has extracted the images to the same physical location. Now you can go and see that in the same physical location. So let me go for F drive. Okay, and let us go and see under the images folder. My images are back or not. Now you can see my images are back here. Okay, now you can go and check the data also. Okay, so whether in the b.pdf, okay, data is there or not, you can go and check that also. So it will go and open a new one here. So now you can see. So it is opening the b.pdf and the data also is coming here. Okay. So along with the data, it is going to copy. And now you can see c.xlsx, some 9 KB is there, 3.jpg, some 348 KB is there, like that. Okay. So we are able to copy, okay, back to the physical file using this export column transformation. Okay. Now let me show you some options inside this. Now let us see when you open this export column. So we have to just specify the which column day, which column we have to. Okay, the image is present in which column day and the location is present in the which column day. And after that you can see here we have an option called append option and truncate option. Allow append option and force truncate option. What is this append option is? Suppose if you are executing second time. Okay, we have executed the second time and we have selected this append option. So what it will do is it will go and overwrite on the existing image. Now under this folder you can see here the first image file size is 68 KB. No? Suppose if I select the append option, okay, suppose here if I select the append option, so it will go and put a one more copy on that image. Okay, now let us. So it will go and recopy it one more time on the same image. Okay, means it is appending the image data one more time. Okay, it won't delete the existing copy. It will just overwrite on the existing copy itself. So it is like a copy and paste it one more time. Now you can see the 7 records got copied. Now you can go and see that under the images folder, you can see the first file size. File size is earlier it was 68 KB. Now it got doubled here. So everyone is got doubled here. Okay, so it is recopying. It is overwriting on the existing image, but you can't see difference in the image. The image will look and feel will be same, but it is overriding the existing copy. Okay, now you can see the image look and feel is nothing changed, but the file size is increased, means it is overwriting the existing image. So we have one more option called truncate option is there. Now you can see we have one more option called truncate option is there. Now what this will do is it will do the cut and paste. Means it will delete the existing image and it will paste it second time. Now you can see right now the file size is 136 KB. First one. Now let us go and see that. Let me execute this. So now you can see it is executing. Now you can go and see the file size now. So earlier it was 136 KB. So it will be back to 68 KB. Now you can see it is back to 68 KB. Means it is removing the existing one and it is recopying it. Okay, that is the use of truncate option. Okay. Now let us go and see. So we have one more option called write byte to the memory size. Now you can see we have one option called so write byte order mark. Okay, this is nothing that much importance is there. So it will just make a mark in the cache memory. Okay, SSIS memory. It will make a mark. That's it. Okay, but we will put if you want to append, you can go, and if you want to truncate, so most of the times better to truncate and paste it. Okay. So one of the interview question is, so in this column, in this transformation, one of the interview question is, so where you are extracting here, now you can see we are extracting to the same location where you are, okay, we are extracting to the same location which is present in the desktop file path column. Suppose let us see, in one of the server, in the source server, I have the F drive, okay, so I have copied that image from that folder. Now in the second server where you want to paste it, where you want to download it. Okay. So in that server, let us say that F drive is not there. Then how you will copy? How will you copy that to a how will you paste that to a new folder? So in the second server, F drive is not there. Okay. And D drive is there. F drive is not there. Then how will you copy? How will you paste that? The second server. So let us see how we can paste it to a new location. Okay, not to the location already specified in the database column. Okay, how we can paste it to the new location. Okay, now we can see that how we can do that is so let me go for and give the task export column. Example one. Let us go for one more thing. Okay, let us see how we can paste it to a new location. So let me take the source as OLEDB source. Now let us go for locate our table name, table underscore images. Okay, preview. Now you can see this is the path specified in the database. Okay. Now what I have to do is I have to derive a new column. I have to derive a new column. Okay, how we can derive a new column? So in this, now you can see that in this, So let us say, first of all, decide where you want to copy. First of all, decide where you want to copy. Now let us say in the second server, I don't have F drive, I have the D drive. Now let us go to the D drive. Now let us see, in this D drive I have an images folder. Okay, or you can create a new folder. So let me see that. So let me create a new folder with a name. So let us say Prasad. Okay. So now I want to copy those images in this folder. Okay, now I want to copy those images in this folder. Okay, D drive. Under this we have Prasad folder. Okay, now let us go and specify that first of all. First of all, let us specify, or let us put that path. Okay, let us put that path inside a variable where I want to copy. So I'm putting that inside a variable. So I'm clicking on this variable section and I'm going to this and clicking on this add variable part. Okay, now let us give that name as variable for new folder. I'm creating one variable for and I'm giving the name as v underscore new folder. Okay, now let us say, so data type is string format. Okay, let us specify it as string format. Okay, and here we have to specify. Okay, so let me go and specify the path. Okay, let me go and specify the path. Okay, so and inside this folder you want to copy, no? Now let us give one more slash. Now you can go and evaluate this. It is saying that hey, this is not a correct syntax. Okay, so here whenever you are representing the path, no, you have to replace the single slash with double slash. So let me replace the single slash with double slash. Okay, now click on evaluate expression. Now you can see I was able to see the output here. Okay, so I want to paste these images under this D drive Prasad folder. Okay, now after this what I have to do? So after this, to this location, what I have to specify here? So I have to specify the image name. What is the name you want to give? Okay, for the first one you want to give the name as one.jpg, you know, and for the second picture, okay, you have to give the 3.jpg. Okay, but here what I have specified, I have just specified the new folder path. Okay, but for this path I need to append the image name also, not like this. So this is up to the folder path. I need to I need to concatenate the image path also. Okay, and the image name, from where it is coming? The image name is coming from the file path. The image is coming in the file path. Okay, so this is my old path. So which was specified in the databases. So this is my old path, F drive. Okay, slash images. Okay, slash one.jpg. So this is my full path of the image which is present in the database column. Okay, now where I want to copy? So in the second server I have the D drive. Under this D drive I have the Prasad folder. I have the Prasad folder. Under this Prasad folder, okay, with which name I want to copy? I want to copy with this name, one.jpg. Okay, so what I have to do is from this file path column, okay, I have to extract the one image name. I have to extract the image name from this file path column. I have to extract the image name and append it to the new location. Okay, so from the old column, that is from the column, okay, from the column present in the database, from the old column I need to extract this image name and copy it to the and append it to the new folder path. Okay, then how can I extract? Okay, how can I extract the file path. Okay, so let us see. Now let us see, this is your path f drive slash images slash 1.jpg. Okay, so what I have to do now? Okay, so what I have to do is I need to extract. Okay, I need to extract the data. Okay, so this one I need to extract this, only this part, only this part. How can I extract? Okay, one option is so let us specify the uh, index position of the second slash, index position of the second slash. Okay, after this index position I need to take a substring of this part. Okay, or whatever the data present after the second slash, after the second slash whatever data is present I need to extract this. Okay, or sometimes I may contain three folders. Let us say F drive images and one more folder is there. Let us say some subfolder is there. Let us say some ABC folder is there. Okay, ABC folder slash 1.jpg. Okay, so this is in the first image I have only two slashes, but in the, let us say in the second image, let us say in this one, so let us say in this one I have the images. Okay, I have one more folder, let us say ABC folder. Under that ABC folder I have the second image is there. Okay, 2.png. Then how we can extract? Suppose if I get the index of second slash, if I get the index of second slash, but here I have three slashes. This is first one, this is second one, and this is third one. Okay, if I get the whatever the data present after the second slash, then I will get this one, total. So this is not the image name, no? So in this case, I have to get the index of third slash, and whatever the data present in the third slash, I have to extract. Okay, so and I don't know, some images may be present in the fourth folder or fifth folder, or some images present directly in the first folder also itself. Okay, so it is not compulsory that every image has to be extract from the same folder. So this image may contain in another folder, another subfolder like that. But I need to extract only the image name. Then how can I extract is, so if I reverse this one, if I reverse this one, okay, so this is my, so let us say this is your folder. Okay, so if I reverse this one, what will happen? 1.jpg. Okay, if I reverse this one, what will happen? So if I reverse the string, then what will happen is gpj dot 1 slash. Okay, so here we will have image, okay, gmi, okay, and slash f drive, okay, and slash f drive like this. Okay, so first of all I have to reverse this one. First of all I have to reverse this one, and I can apply the substring function here. I can apply the substring function after reversing. So first of all I have to apply the reverse. Okay, after reversing I will get the data like this, and I need to get the substring subpart of starting with first character to the index position of first slash, and I won't bother whether it contains 4 slashes or 2 slashes or 3 slashes. If I reverse it, I need to get the data from starting position to the first slash. Okay, then I will use the substring function. Okay, so in SQL Server, if you know the substring function, what it will do is, so I can go and write substring of this, okay, comma. So which part you want to retrieve? I want to retrieve from the first letter to the, okay, up to which letter you want to retrieve? That is the index position of this slash. So let us say this slash position is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6. Then I have to go and specify it as 1, comma 6. Okay. So I have to retrieve the image name like this. Okay, first of all we can reverse the image path. Okay, and after that we can apply the substring function. Okay, and get the data from the first letter to the first slash position. Okay, if it contains the folder, if the image folder contains 3 slashes or 4 slashes, okay, I won't get any error. Okay, why? Because I am reversing it, and after reversing it I am getting the image path. Okay, let us see how can I get that.
Sir, but for us, for c.xlsx file, it will be not 6, right?
No, it is I will get the index position of this.
Okay.
Now let us see. Suppose here, so let us declare one variable, or let us set some path. So let us say f drive slash images slash abc.xlsx. Okay. From this, what I will do is, first of all I will reverse this string. So select reverse of. So I will go and get the reverse of this one. So what it will give me? It will give me the answer as you can see here. It is giving me the reversing of xlsx.cpa. And after that, in this, what I will do is I will get the index position of first slash. I will go and get the index position of, after reversing, let me go and get the index of, at index of this reverse function after reversing. Okay, after reversing, I will get the index position of. So from this, let me get the index position of slash. Okay, like this. Okay. So here, if we want to get the index position, we have to write it. Before that, we have to write it here. Okay, like this. So with this will give me the, after reversing, this is after reversing, it will give me the first position of slash. Okay, now you can see it is giving me the position of slash as a given string cat index. Let us go and have cat index also. Okay, now you can go and see. So it is giving me the, after reversing, okay, the position of slash is 9th position. Now you can go and execute these two. So this is the reversing. Now after reversing, XLSX is 4 characters, dot is 5, CBA is 3. So 5 plus 3, 8, and it is telling that the position of it, first slash is 9th position. Okay. Now I will go and write a substring function saying that substring of, okay. So after reversing, so get me the data of, this is my after reversing. So starting from the first position to the 9th position. Okay. So that 9th position will be the char index. The 9th position will be the char index of this. Okay. Now we can go and see. You will get the data like this. xlx.cpa. Okay. You can go and write. So this is the 9th position of. This is the 9th position. So first image. Okay. So 9 minus 1. Let me write 9 minus 1. Okay, by 9 minutes it is also, it is giving me the slash also. So if I go and write 9 minus 1, it is giving me this xlx.cp. And let me apply the reverse again. So I want to reverse the data again. Now you can see you will get the abc.xlsx like this. Okay, suppose if you have okay, suppose if you have four slashes or three slashes or a single slash, so this will give you the correct date. This is one way of getting the image date. And suppose if you know that all the images are present in the same folder, all the images are present in the same folder, and always you will have the only two slashes, okay, only two slashes, then you can go and get the index position of second slash and get it to the last. That is another way of getting it. Okay, so this we have to write it. Okay, this we have to write it in the SSIS site. Okay, first of all reverse the string, and after reversing, okay, after reversing get me the char index, after reversing get me the char index of this slash, and after that we have to write the substring. On top of that we have to write the reverse again. Okay, so let me see how we can write it. So after some practice you will get it easily, this one. So you just need to know what we have to do. Okay, just repeat. So let me go for, so in the new folder path I have this d.prasad. Okay, now let us go and write. So I want to derive a new column. So I want to derive this. Okay, so we are deriving a new column here. Okay, so we have first of all defined the new folder name. Okay, new folder path, and to this new folder path I need to extract the image name from the old file path. So from this file path, so whatever data I'm getting from this source window, so from this file path I need to extract the image name, and after extracting I need to append to this new folder path. I need to append to this new folder path. Now let me take a derived column here. Okay, so why? Because my old path is coming from this source data. Okay, so here you can see my old file name, old image name is coming from this file path. Okay, from this file path only I need to extract the data. I need to extract the image data. So first of all what I have to do? So first of all I need to reverse this. I need to reverse this. So here we need to reverse this. Okay, so this is the path. If I am reversing I will get the data, and after reversing I will get the index position of first slash. Okay, now let us go and see how we can do that. So let me write as reverse. Okay, we will get the reverse of file path. And after reversing, okay, I need to extract the index position of first slash. Okay, so to get the index position, so in SQL Server we have written the char index. Okay, we have written the char index to get the index position of first slash. Okay, so here do we have any function called char index? No. Okay, then how can I get the index position? Now you can go and see that in the available string functions, so we have one function called find string is there. You can say find string means character expression, and which string you want to find, okay, which character you want to find, and we have to specify the occurrence. Okay, now you can go and see. What I will do is I will top of it I will write find string function. Okay, so which will get me the index position of first slash. Okay, find a string I have to write the character expression. Okay, means what is the in which string, that is after reversing the file path. Okay, now we have to write, this is the first parameter, first argument, second argument is string. Okay, which one you want to find? I want to find the position of slash. No, you can go and write the position of slash. Now you can go and see, is this a backward slash or forward slash? So it is the backward slash. Okay, backward slash. And slash we have to represent not a single slash, we have to represent two slashes. No, now let me go and write two slashes. Okay, and after that, what is the occurrence? So whether you want to find the position of first slash or second slash or third slash. So after reversing, I want to find the position of first slash. Okay, I can see. So this will give me the index position of first slash. So this will give me the index position of first slash. After reverse, after finding the index position, what I have to do, I have to write the substring function. Okay, now let us go and write substring of. So what is your input string? My input file path is coming in from this column. Let us go and write file path. And how many, from where you have to start? You have to start from the first character, no? Okay, I have to start from the first character and up to where you want to find, up to the index position of first slash, and after that -1. Okay, close it. So this is what we have done here. So I'm getting the substring of, okay, after reversing, starting from the first position to the index position of first slash, that is 9 minus 1. And again we have to reverse it to get the original name. Again we have to reverse it. No, now let us go and write the reverse function on top of it. Let me go and write the reverse again. Okay, so which will give me the image name, which will give me the image name. Okay, now this image name, okay, to which folder I have to append? So let me see, we are deriving a new folder in the variable called, so view new folder path. No? So to this folder path I want to append this. No? So to this folder path I want to append the image. Let me write plus. I want to append the image name. Now let us see whether plus is sufficient or I have to write. I think we have the operators. So for concatenate, plus is okay, and you can go and see we have ampersand also. So this will be used as, I think plus is sufficient. Now I have to give, so whether after deriving this, do you want to add as a new column? Yes, I want to add as a new column, and let me give the column name as new path. That's it. So we have to understand this logic, okay, step by step. We have to understand this logic step by step. First of all, we have to get the initial path, the original path, and I am reversing it. Why? Because I don't know how many slashes will be there. So some images may contain 3 slashes, some images may contain 2 slashes, or 1 slash also. Okay, so because of that reason, what I am doing is I am reversing. First of all, I am reversing. So after reversing, I will get the data like this. xlx.cpa, and from this I need to extract this image name. No? So starting from the first position to the position of first slash. So that's why I'm finding the position of first slash here. After reversing, I'm positioning the find of first slash. So this is giving me the first slash position as 9. And I need to extract the data from starting from the first position to the first slash before the first slash position. That's why I'm writing 9 minus 1. So which will give me the this one. So which will give me the data like this one. Okay. So but it is in a not the correct file name. It is a reverse of file name. No? Then again I am reversing it. Okay, which will give me the actual image name. Okay, I'm getting this actual image name, and this image name I'm appending to the folder path, that is D drive. Okay, so I'm appending to the folder path. Let us say D drive Prasad. Okay, files like this. Okay. So I'm appending D drive plus resolve. So here it is. Folder name is there. The same way I'm doing in the SSIS side. So now I will get the folder path and I will get the image name also like this. So this is what I am doing in the SSIS side also. Okay, so I'm deriving a new folder path and I'm concatenating that. Okay, so and I'm putting that, I'm giving a new column name called new path here. Okay, now let us, after deriving a new column, let us go to the export column. Now let us go to the export column transformation, and after deriving a new column, now you can go and see. So we are deriving import column. I want to take the export column. So from this, let us take the, so which column data you want to extract? I want to extract the picture column. And where you want to paste it? So do you want to paste it in the new old path or new path? Yes, I want to paste it in the new path. Now let's click on OK. Now you can go and see in the D drive under the Prasad. Okay, the folder is empty now. Now let us go and execute this. Now you can see that it is saying that export column is failed. So let us see what is the data. So it is telling that D drive Prasad slash mi colon f is not valid. Okay, I think the file path is not coming correctly here. Now let us go and see. Okay, so we have specified the, so file path of find string file path. Okay, uh, starting from the first position and find string of reverse of file path, comma, so reverse of file path. After reversing, we are finding the position of this first slash comma 1. Okay, now this will give me the answer as 9 comma 1, that is 8. The substring of 1 comma 8, and after that reverse. Now let us see. I don't want to append this. Now let us see the output of derived column. Now let us see the output of derived column. So I want to put a data viewer here. Now let me go and execute this. So let us see the how the derived column output has come out here. So reverse substring. Now let me get one by one. So what I want to get is, I want to get the, so find the string of reverse of file path. After reversing the file path, I want to find the index of the slashes here. Okay, and that to the first occurrence. Okay, now let us see what I will get. So I want to find the index position now. So did we put the data viewer there? Yes, data viewer is there. Now you can see it is giving me the index position of slash here. So for the first one, it is showing that uh, index position of first one. Okay, so it is not reversing it. First of all, it has to reverse. Yes, it is reversing, and it is saying that jpg dot 4 and so 456, that is correct. And here 10 dot gpg, so the index position of first slash is reading from the this end. So the index position of first slash is 7. That is correct only. Okay. So we are getting the index position correctly. Okay. Now what I want to do is, after getting that index position, I want to get the substring of, get the substring of, so which one, that is file path. You can go and see the substring. If you have any doubt, now you can see you have to give the substring is character expression comma start comma length. Now let me get the, so from which file your file path is coming in. So your image path is coming in this column. No? So from this string, okay, starting from the first position, okay, going to the sixth position or index position. Now let us see what will happen. So I just return the substring function. Now let me execute it one more time. So which will give me the starting from the first position. Okay. Okay, and after that reverse of file. Okay. So here what I have done wrong is, so here you can see that we are getting the substring, and to this substring, now you can see why we have gotten this one is, instead of this one we should get the image name. Okay, so to the substring we are applying the reverse of file name. To the substring here we are applying the reverse of file name. Okay, starting from this one. So I have to go to this. That is a mistake we have done here. So that's why instead of giving the image name, it is giving me the folder path name. Okay. Now we can go and see. We have to apply the substring on reverse of file path. Okay. Reverse of file path. Okay. Now let us go and see that. Now let us see we will get the image name or not. So our intention is to extract the image name. Okay. Now we can see. So we are getting the image name in the reverse order, but we are getting the slash. So everywhere slash is coming, and I need to avoid this slash. Okay, then what I will do, I will go to this, and into the end, what I will do, I will add the, okay, this is the reverse of file name, and starting from the first position to the find a string of -1. In the end, I will add -1. Okay, which will give me the image path, but in reverse order. Now after that, let me go on use the reverse one more time. So now we can go and execute. Now you can see we are fetching the image name in that new path. Now you can see whether we are extracting the image name or not. Now you can see yes, we are extracting the image name. And now what we have to do? So to the new path, let me append this image name. So to the new path, which is I have specified in the variable. So let me drag and drop this new path and let us write plus here. Okay. Now click on OK. Now let us see whether I will get the new path or not. So this is one of the interview question. That's why I'm explaining neatly. Okay, now you can see we are deriving the new path. Okay, and now let us go and use the export column transformation. So now let us go on. So we have derived the new path successfully. Now let us go on, call the export column, and now let us go to this and which column we want to extract, that is picture column. Now into which path you want to paste in the new path. Okay, if it is already there, let us go on to the truncate and route. Now let us go and execute this. Now you can see the images are getting loaded into the destination. Now let us go and see to the D folder. Now under the Prasad, now you can see my images are back here. Okay, so we are able to copy the files, okay, copy the images and documents to the new folder like this. So just we have to extract the image name. Okay, just we need to extract the image name from the original file path column. The original file path column, we have to extract the image name and append it to the new folder path. That's it. Okay, so this is how we can do that. Understand? So just practice it slowly, so you'll come to know easily. Okay, can I stop now?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
You told me to send the videos.
Yeah, I'm recording, Prasad. I'm not getting that much time, that's why. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
I will wake up tomorrow, okay, early. I will send it. Okay, by tomorrow
Okay,
morning,
sir.
I will try to send.
Yeah,
Okay,
please
sir.
send the recording, sir.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Thank you.